You come back.
Tips is making a relationship last longer. Relationship. Yeah, lasting for how long? Honest, 6 months. Nenga didn't normal, guys. That's what you have to do. Yes. I'm very normal.
But the longest, I normally have very long relationships. But I think whichever is, I do not sikuwa nyo my everything.
What do you mean by that? Like if you're falling in love, you hold.
I hold back. I release pola. And even if you think that I'm at my peak, but not to peak here. No one has gotten my peak of love.
How do you do it? Like, or people can tell.
You need to know how to control your own feelings and your own self.
And Carol, you are like that with friends as well.
Even with friends, yes.
What happens?
Even with friends.
Your result.
I take long to let in someone like completely. But Nenga, I'm so nice to you. Everything we are good. Nenga, I'm holding back a lot of things.
So if it's a guy, for example, since you said you take long to let in, coming at your place to take long can even take like months or years.
Coming to my place.
Yes.
Coming to my place. It takes a very long time.
You're
exclusive. It depends. It depends. It's according to my judgment. How paka until we get somewhere.
And such people don't get hurt.
Yeah, we don't easily. Oh no, she always says, Maka, do you ever get angry? Akaliwa. I was on Facebook. That was not me, by the way. That wasn't me. Someone just took their time and put that thing together. But that was not me. People who know me can tell you. I'm not a person who can fight or
say she left her key in her boot. And she had a show at 5. And this is 4:30. She was laughing. Just the day I asked her, are you normal? Do you get angry?
It's like you don't feel like when you're disappointed, when you're heartbroken. How do you go past that? You have to feel something.
When I'm heartbroken, I cry, but I never cry when anyone is saying. They always cry very private.
That's a good one.
Very privately, and I'll walk out like
Then at night you go back and cry. That's a good one. Even a heartbreak, I can be cries. But I think that's good.
But it's okay for you to allow yourself to feel things. Otherwise, you might always depression or call it into stress. So it's okay for you to always allow yourself to feel what you're feeling.
So Karole, you can't date a fan.
I think I'm a fan.
I think I'm a fan.
This is the problem with the fan. The fan will come expect knowing that you're Carol. So I don't engage if someone tells me, hi Carol Kasita, I like you, then I have a chance with you. You take me different. The way you judge me, everything. Yeah, you are different.
Nze nkubuuza wati fan oyo ali mu same level now.
Same level
like ngaina sente ze.
I don't know, man. You know what? We are judged a lot by people.
Yeah, sure.
A lot. So, very complicated. It's very complicated. No, but you know what I'm saying? Because I've been I've been there.
Would you give them a chance?
I would give a chance to a guy who comes to me at Sirista. Ngatamanyi mbuno.
That cannot be changed.
Jebali.
Oh, like who?
Labono.
Are you okay?
Jebali akubuza ngatakumanyi mbuno ebwe Karo Kasita nakwana.
Maybe he's never seen you with makeup. You musicians now. Who doesn't know you? That's a lie.
That's why Kasina Nantiangwa. That's gone off.
Somebody was trying to call and then I got up joining and then when
Would you give them a chance?
And I would give a chance.
Average.
I would give a chance to a guy who my heart wants. I don't have it. It's not about the type or the money he has or.
If you had a partner not cheating, would that be a breaking point for you? Now today I'm done. Would you do that?
No.
Cheating cannot make you leave a relationship.
No.
You're kidding.
I cannot leave my man
Would you?
because he cheated.
Yes, I would. If I have evidence, I would.
You know why? Because I would not even tell that he cheated.
Why? What do you mean?
I think if somebody loves you.
This is the thing.
No, they wouldn't show you. So.
They wouldn't show you that they cheated. They wouldn't.
They are cheating.
I don't think cheating is a reason to leave a man.
And it's not a reason.
Okay, what should be a reason? Honestly,
The man treating
Your
you
happiness,
badly.
how you feel. Yeah, I was going to. Like how you feel about yourself being in that situation.
In the relationship.
So
yes.
most women leave because they're embarrassed, not because they're hurt. The man cheated. Does it
And
make
because
sense?
they are thinking, what will
Banana
my friends
bagenda
say?
kunge,
Yes.
yeah, you know. So it's how I feel. So if he has cheated and I feel I can forgive him, why not? Yes.
It's
If
like
I feel like
a reason.
I don't know.
You know why? Because every time you show the man that if he cheats, I'll leave. That's when they even want to cheat.
Are you sure?
Somebody wants to go live with you.
Every
wants to go live.
So you
time you share man who won't cheat, agenda kucheatinga or
You do it deliberately.
not deliberately, but chiba or limit utonzi. So it's always nice or when mukwano no muntu and you just let things flow the way they should go. They should not be forcing things on two people. They will about in Pulekanz, they will call them chi.
Or a Valentine's. It's a birthday. Most people say, the most painful thing is Nasura Koku Kushana and was a guy again. I couldn't and red day, mining and Nankanoko missing. And I became jam went to Vinayari Muko and jam. Again, the Raja Wachang as it is our commission. What do you negative? They call my university. So the people who are going to Bagan of Vedam. Ngabagara was working at Balaba Corona. Had the other day,
were you the main girl?
Oh, wow. I
It was
He wasn't married,
But
and we
you
were
weren't
dated
sure.
for 3 years.
But you weren't sure you were the one.
No, she knew she was the one, but I think on that day
and
she
he was
got a
my
wake-up
very
call.
first guy. What do guys want, Bana?
Maybe you weren't the one to him.
Really? So you
Okay,
say,
so how do you
so
know
they
the
have to take us
disappointment?
out on Valentine's
How
for
do
us
you
to
know
know
that
that they are the
disappointment on
one?
Valentine's?
Of course. If a man is not with you
Your man should take you
on
out
public
every
holidays,
day.
Why does he have to do it on
You're not the
Valentine's
one.
specifically? He
One
can take
day.
it
It's
out
very simple.
anytime.
Valentine is not Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day.
No, this is
Then,
the thing.
if
If
a
your
man
man
is
does
not
not
with you
take you out on
on
Valentine's
public
Day,
holidays, you're either the second wife or the side chick or something.
yeah, on public holidays,
I'm
that's
very
very true.
Jesus is
That's
Public
very
holidays.
true.
Public holidays, Christmas, I don't know something. If it's not, if
Yes,
it's a public
if
holiday,
it's not with you
the
on
person
those
he's
days,
with,
So
okay,
very
the woman
sweet.
is with that day. That's the one.
Wow.
Even if you're in a relationship.
so not go wear Valentine's any day,
Any
public holiday,
Ngatari
yes.
kola.
Any special day.
Ngatari na family day, like let's say like Christmas.
Yeah.
If he's not with you on Christmas day,
He must be with you and your family.
and his
Oh
family.
yeah, yeah. If it's
So on Valentine's Day,
it
if
should be
not
you.
with Bina, That means it's not Bina.
It's not Bina.
Like in a relationship, ngataenda na mkazi.
Oh, better just in a relationship, not relationship. Who the abasajja are talking?
It's true.
A man has just said it's true.
So whoever kati otugenda okulabira akwagala ayitawo buyisi.
Ate he should not act like ari busy bakuyiseko buyisi. You know, I know the man. Kamba gambeko. I know if a man eyali akwana abawala kale nange yali akwana. Kakati Valentine's came nakwata akaboda ka delivery nagula ebimuli for all the girls, and that one man delivered for all his women. Nengo omuntu akuwadde yawadde all the girls.
So when Arabia twali 12 there was a Munne, you know how I got to know. I didn't say money, but Munne ganze was a guy, okay, umlaba. Ninaito zandinzeka. Moyono mulala owenga tusoke tumuze bali university kati wanonga nkola. So what special hire nalyo kagamba?
Have you even talked about it on Facebook? Like what special hire nalyo kagamba? Gende eliye mabega. Gwemba bazi. Gende mabega ono we olonde mu nagendo tuke mabega. Ngabale polinze ngazifena fana kadi za fezifana ngazifana asatu ne sharia.
What do men want?
I kept counting. Nagambono.
What do men want?
I don't know.
I think that's why I feel dating.
Bina yafuna haji.
Ne haja inakoma kubana. Kwa abanji. Oba maybe balala bali baganda be.
Yeah,
that's also possible.
Aneda.
I know.
Men are full of surprises.
Tusaba busabina never Valentine's bagenda okutuma abagenda okuleeta ebirabo. What you need to do is kale yes waba ina 12. Ebirabo biteke mu butu manya nti kati ngenda wambabazi. Ekyo kyoteka ologamba gwe mbabazi tikinga wano. Nokusinga okudabira ddala.
Katika mbagamba enemboze nakuwera ya steam and sauna tuli mu kifo kikyamu katugende mu steam emboze setuke mu kitegedde
and yena tunagenda musola soko ngambe let me say we are friends and we find out I'm dating your guy, would you attack me?
I would attack my guy. I would act like simena ponya to even dating so anakunyega you're my friend. No wait,
I think that's wrong.
But let me ask you something. Let me see. By the way, I've not gotten a friend of mine who has dated my boyfriend. I think that's it's how it reacts. But I don't think still I would confront you, but I would just stay away from you. Take it as only toxic. I give you space.
It's so funny. You will end up being friends with that guy.
With
you won't really be enemies with a girl. It has happened to me twice.
Are you sure?
And I still I don't have a problem with them.
Your friends are toxic.
Okay, we're not friends anymore. We don't communicate. But then if I see her on the road and something's wrong, I would help. Like there's nothing.
Have the dancers come?
The dancers?
Of course.
Yes. I know you're dating my guy.
And then let's go for the man.
It's fine.
Hey, because you don't attack the guy.
No. Because men like anything, by the way. It was my friend's duty to be loyal to me as my friend.
But how about you?
Yes, listen, there's a man in Ginger who has 2 wives who are sisters. So it's upon you as a girl to keep your what? Your loyalty. Because these men, they like anything.
My grandfather married sisters.
Sisters?
Really? You see? So it's upon Fabakazi Mogamba. Karole, Karole is my friend. I cannot do this.
Oh my
and then I will even tell Karole, whoever has come to me, that you understand. So it will be upon her to see where I lie.
Hey, so if he approaches you, you can even tell.
And then when a man ever tells you, oh, you want to see my girl is sagalo bedena ye, take it until you move down.
Hey! Okay, to take it there.
Very simple.
So what to worry about steam, a young better, then you're going to get there.
Steam yamba ku skin. Steam yamba kola ku skin.
Yes.
Skin never looking so good, never getting so. Banga doing steam with scrubbing your whole body. Even your body becomes smooth, your skin becoming smooth. Then sauna yamba okusala ku masavu from your fat. No, in case you took alcohol or in a hangover, still doesn't like the sauna yamba okuja mogo, like all the toxics out of your body. Or second, they're full of all that bad stuff, really good and no sweating out. But we make sure we make only boiled things. We have boiled chicken, boiled chigere, come on the curry simple. Because it be a worry, because our fans just to say that clear until we be our own. One to try, you're very well spiced. Yes, you should just come here. I thought about the chibos, Banange, Mabio. It's unisex, so it's men and women. So you'll be sharing ideas.
Coming over the weekend.
They can tell you something about your man which you didn't know, like from just conversation. You learn from just talking to people, most honesty, even networking. You meet new people. Last time I was here, I met a guy Shafiq, Shafiq gadgets. About Shafiq, abanye kubulanga wa VJ Junior ngala akola masimu sibanya Shafiq. Kada usia nangamba ze Shafiq phone. I was surprised like banange my phone screen yange yatikanyamba ko geno college but ochegede so it's good for networking.
Karole. Bina sigala munju.
No, we cover our heads na twingira. Yes.
So umuntu amaliriza okuva mu sauna akyalina okukola
Musauna, what do you mean?
Omaze steaming, oba sauna, oba chi.
You have a very good night's sleep.
But she has never been in one.
Let's go.
You have?
Together,
In my dream.
I knew it in her dream.
Bina needs to become social.
Thank you. But I never would see the K-Waka.
Baby, that's
Do it for me.
Bina jangu bakwane
It's good. But you took water, eh?
Singing up in your
But it was
but
very
then
nice.
come as someone has to